Good morning, everyone. This is Marshall Gittler with the morning comment for August 27th. The dollar was higher this morning against most of its G10 counterparts, but lower against the emerging market currencies as improving risk sentiment and narrow ranges pushed investors into carry trades. Stock prices at record high in the U.S. and generally better U.S. data are supporting risk sentiment despite expectations of eventual Fed tightening. Now, among the G10 currencies, the three commodity currencies were the only ones to gain on the dollar. This could have been due to the better risk sentiment, although in the case of the Kiwi and Canadian dollar, there were also individual stories. For the New Zealand dollar, the Fonterra surprised the market by leaving its 2014-15 milk purchase price forecast unchanged rather than lowering it. And the Canadian dollar is getting a boost from Burger King's $11 billion US purchase of Canadian coffee and donut chain Tim Hortons. For the Aussie, the picture isn't so clear, and in fact, with Chinese prices of industrial commodities falling, I think Aussie is likely to fall back. Now, the Polish zloty and Hungarian florin were the only EM currencies to fall significantly against the dollar. The ruble was down slightly. This is odd in my view because the outcome of yesterday's customs union talks involving Russian President Putin and Ukrainian President Poroshenko seemed to have been positive. At least that was the word that Putin used to describe the talks. Although, admittedly, fighting does continue unabated in eastern Ukraine. On the other hand, the usual carry trade favorites, such as the Turkish lira, South African rand, and Mexican peso, were up significantly. Now, I'd expect the zloty and florin to join the carry trade parade and recover their losses today as those high-level talks on Ukraine continue. As for today's schedule, it's very light with only secondary importance indicators coming out. During the European day, we've got the German GfK consumer confidence for September and French manufacturing confidence for August. Swedish trade and Norway's AKU unemployment, which is different from their registered unemployment, are also coming out. In the U.S., just the weekly MBA mortgage applications. So we're in for a relatively quiet day, no big news out on the economic front, which means the focus again is likely to be on carry trades. For more information, including technical analysis, please read the full comment on IronFX.com. You can also follow us on Twitter, like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or circle us on Google Plus to get more trading ideas. This is Marshall Gittler, head of Global FX Strategy at IronFX Global, wishing you solid trading.